Ask a cleaning business owner what they charge and you get an instant answer. Ask what an hour costs them, and the room goes quiet. That second number is the one that decides whether the first one is any good. The cleaning and service business job and route manager works it out once, then applies it to every recurring client, every service day, and every quote you write. It starts with your billable hours, the van costed by the mile, a year of overhead, and the pay you actually need. Out of that come two rates, and they are not interchangeable. Your cost per billable hour is the benchmark a price has to beat. Your cost per clock hour is what a visit is really charged, because a visit consumes drive time as well as work time. That distinction is the whole product. A 2-hour turnover with a 55-minute drive is not a 2-hour job. It is nearly 3 hours of your day. And if a second person is with you, it is 2 people's time. In the worked example that ships in the file, exactly that stop looks like perfectly reasonable work on the calendar and quietly takes about $1,100 a year out of the business. The client roster is where you find it. 1 row per recurring client. Enter the frequency, the hours, the drive, the price, and the supplies, and it returns visits a year, the real cost of a visit, the profit, the dollars per hour of your day, and a colored status, underwater, thin, healthy, or strong. Then it ranks the whole book by what each client leaves behind over a year. The Route Day Planner rolls that roster up by service day and by zone, weighted by how often you actually go. Route density is the share of the day somebody is paying for. At 90%, a $60 on-site hour is worth $54. At 65, it is worth $39. Same price, same client, a third less money, because you spent more of the day in the van. Quoting stops being a feeling. Enter the hours you expect, the crew, the round trip, the supply kit, and the margin you have decided the work must earn, and it returns 3 prices: a break-even floor you never quote, your target price, and a premium tier for the jobs with a deadline or a mess. Each one rounded up to a figure you can say out loud. The dashboard is the whole book in one screen. Recurring revenue, the spread you keep on every hour of your day. How many clients sit in each band? Density by service day. What is overdue and what needs reordering? And one thing most templates never tell you, whether your book actually fills the hours and covers the pay that your rate assumes. 9 connected tabs in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice, pre-filled with a complete worked example. 4 guides, 4 printable sheets for the van, and a one-click native Google Sheets copy with nothing to import. A file you own, not a subscription you rent. From Ardent Workshop.